Hi guys, I'm Jackie, and this month I'll be doing a self-evaluation on this month's course, which was editing for the web. Coming into this course, I was really unsure what editing for the web really was until we got our first project to do, which was to create a website for a fictitious food truck restaurant, which is Real Deal Tacos. I was excited to create my own website. I've always liked this kind of stuff, and my attitude was very positive, and I was just like ready to go, ready to start working on it. I'm normally really hard on myself, and during my first project, which was a proposal presentation for Real Deal Tacos, it didn't turn out as I hoped that it would, or as expected actually. I was having navigation issues. They weren't lining up correctly, and it was mostly because I was very unfamiliar with using Wix. So yeah, the platform I decided to use and continue to use throughout my projects was to continue to use Wix. That way I can get more familiarized and understand how to really use it in order for my projects to really shine. So during my second time, I decided to continue using Wix, and for my portfolio site, you can actually see a big difference with my ability to edit and navigate the website. And during my revision stage for my proposal presentation, I decided to stay with Wix and just completely change the template for what I was using. And you can definitely see a big difference in all of my projects now because I continue to use the same platform and I just got familiarized with how to use it. So the best thing is that practice does make perfect. So my third time around, which was my second time was creating my portfolio site, and my third time was doing a revision for my Real Deal Tacos website. And you can actually see that I'm way more confident and I know how to use the platform a lot better. So overall, I would give myself a high 96, 97, or like a high A, which because it includes the fact that I didn't take any time off during spring break and I continue to work throughout my projects to get a better grade, and because I actually corrected all the errors that I had done in the first time around. As I started my projects, I realized I wanted to know the psychology behind what makes a good designer. For example, I wanted to know what was the best structure or how to structure things better to benefit myself and to benefit my visitors so they will continue to visit my websites. If I had more time, I would have researched way more similar websites for the projects that I was creating in order to get an idea of where I should be headed towards or what I should be doing. I did take advantage of my time off during spring break, like I mentioned earlier, and I completely redid my whole Real Deals Taco website. And I decided to do it completely different and use a completely different template because I did do some research on similar taco food truck websites, and I noticed that they use consistency throughout their whole website. So I wanted to do the same thing for mine, even though I'm not used to doing things very basic. I actually was like, okay, well, I'm gonna do it kind of basic and just I wanted to be plain and just give my information out. And the reason why was because I did take time to do some research, but I wish I would have taken more time to research similar websites. Understanding website platform I was using would have been the best practice to improve my projects. The advice I have for future students coming into editing for the web would be to don't underestimate your time. Building a website takes time, and so use your time wisely. Every little thing counts, so if you miss a step, there goes your entire project. And that's it for my evaluation for this month's course, which was editing for the web. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next class. Bye.